Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make big money by being a small influencer. So what I'm going to talk to you about is a company called Influence Network, and basically what they do is they connect brands with influencers, and the brands want to pay the influencers for the content that they create. The best thing about it is they accept anyone that has 1,000 followers or more, because I know some of these apps they need like 10k, 50k, and you're just like, what about the micro influencers? Like, what about us? So it's really good that you don't have to have a massive following to join this platform. They're only going to connect you with brands that work well with your creative content, that are on a similar vibe to you, brands that work really well with your Instagram, and it will be topics that you already love and talk about loads online. This was actually one of the easiest influencer networks that I signed up to, so it's really quick and easy. It takes like 1 to 5 minutes. All you have to do is connect your social account so it can see your stats and your followings. Then you add all the boring bits like your name and address and stuff, and then you just choose your niches. So if you're into fashion or food, you just pick the niches that your content is about, and that's pretty much it. You're signed up. You will get a notification email after that, and then you'll start getting some campaigns. There will be a link in the description box down below where you guys can sign up, whether you're an influencer or a brand. Otherwise, just go to the website influence.network. They have so many different campaigns online right now. So for example, they have one if you're a backpacker and you like staying in hostels. They have new hair and beauty brands. They have cyberspace protection programs, luxury ice cream, interior design, travel cards, and also things like music programs for school and guitar lessons. Like, I would love to learn how to play guitar. I think it's really nice to have a platform where you can interact with people really easily. So when I received my first campaign, which was actually really quickly after I signed up, I received a campaign from a lovely lady, and she told me all about the campaign, what I would have to do, how much I would get paid, like all in one. It was there was no kind of like beating around the bush. It's one of the best rates I've ever had. It's actually the highest rate I've ever had on any other platform. So that was great to begin with. So I was really happy with that. I was happy that that campaign was totally me. It was a new brand, a new launch. They seemed very professional, and of course the rate was just, it was just the cherry on top of the cake. The lady who I was speaking to was actually really informative, because I asked her like loads of questions. Because the platform's quite new, I asked her a lot of questions about how it works, how the campaigns work, and everything like that, and she emailed me an answer. Like, it was a few paragraphs it was a few paragraphs long, and I really appreciated that. That's why I understand the brand a lot more, and that's why I know so much now. Everything is actually on the FAQ page on their website. I just didn't read it, so if you guys have any more questions then you can check that out. But yeah, the girl was really friendly. She always replies to me like real quick. Like, if I email her in the evening or a weekend where I'm waiting for a reply, and I usually assume that they'll reply the next morning or the next weekday, she replies straight away. Like, I get a reply within 24 hours. And overall the process is like super easy. I haven't had to do much. Like, I haven't had to like barter with a brand. I haven't had to, you know, sometimes you don't hear back from a brand, or they're just trying to get your rate really low, and I haven't had that experience at all with this platform. So I'm really happy. It's really relaxed, and yeah, I'm really happy with everything so far. So I do recommend that you guys sign up to it, try it out, see what campaigns they've got for you. But yeah, like I said, there'll be a link in the description box down below, whether you're an influencer or a brand, or you can just search influence.network. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope that it helped you and that it informed you a little bit more about this platform and one way of how I make money being a small influencer. Because, you know, there's a lot of things that I know now and I wouldn't have unless someone just told me. So I'm really appreciative of everyone in my life who has helped me to get where I am today, and for this platform, for the amazing opportunities. But yeah, guys, are you signed up to this platform? Are you signed up to any other platforms? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Before I go, guys, don't forget to search me on social media. It's just my name. It's Siana Westley. It's on the screen now. I'd love to hear your thoughts if you've used this platform before. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. Bye!